Hi, my name is Lisa Hegedus and this is my kitchen. We're here at my restaurant, Caffe Barista, in downtown Greensburg, Pennsylvania, where I've been serving the community for over 20 years. As a chef, when I'm cooking for my customers, friends, and family, I look for fresh, natural ingredients at a great price. Shop and Save offers a variety of free from and organic food that not only taste delicious, but are good for you too. Now that's just right. Wild Harvest offers more than 600 products in 70 categories, from eggs to canned goods to tortilla chips, that are all free from over 100 undesirable ingredients. They are delicious and affordable. Today, I'll be showing you how to make my corn and bean salsa using Wild Harvest and essential everyday products. It's delicious and good for you too. This is a great year-round recipe, but especially good for tailgate parties. Go wild! For more delicious recipes, like Shop and Save Food on Facebook, as well as Caffe Barista. And there's more where that came from. I'll be at the Pittsburgh Street Shop and Save store on Thursday, October 13th. Stop by to learn more about Wild Harvest products and see live cooking demonstrations from me.